Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Vivo TWS 2 to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. Now it's blinking white, so it means that it's entering to pairing mode. Now click on your headphones, pair, and after that hide the application or the settings and open the application. Right here we have these headphones, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!